Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft Legends won't open. If you want to fix it, click here and then type background apps, and now make sure to turn off this option. Turn it off and then go to after that go to enable Xbox game bar, turn off Xbox game bar, go back, go to Windows update settings. Now you will need to make sure to install all the updates that you can find, and then go to GeForce Experience and do the same thing here. Just install all the updates, the latest update that you can find for your graphics card, and that's it. Now restart your computer. After restarting your computer, open Task Manager and then click memory to see application that takes your memory, and that's it. Now just keep scrolling down and close all the applications that you don't need when playing, and you must know what they do. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next video.